everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're back with another model unboxing and review video. Got a package here in the mail, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I do know what models these are. These are, this package contains the models of the Southwest 737 800 in the Canyon Blue. This is NG models. And then the what's it called? Sun Country 738. Got both of these from Eztoys, and pretty excited because I don't have a Sun Country model, and this will be my first one. And Southwest, obviously can't go wrong with getting more Southwest models. All right, so here's the nicely wrapped there. Got invoice and just confirm. Yep, Southwest and Sun Country. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Look how small these boxes are. Alright, so there we have it. Paperweight. Okay, beautiful. So two awesome engine models I'm really excited about. I've seen many people review these. Well, quite a few people review them on YouTube, and I'm really happy to be able to do my own reviews of them now, because from what I've seen, they are fantastic. The boxes are amazing. If you look at Sun Country, that's a really nice box. This is obviously the new Sun Country livery, the Tide Pod livery that what everyone calls it. The box is really nice. And then Southwest, this is the old Canyon Blue. And I gotta find it, but I have their new Heart livery as well, engine models. So I have both of them, and now I can say my 737-800 fleet is complete, except I just need one without winglets, or the splits, should I say. But anyway, so box is really nice as well. Like, you have that really nice design. Some cardboard or something. But yeah, so anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna go with the Sun Country first, as I don't have a Sun Country 738 or any Sun Country aircraft in my fleet, so this is gonna be a first for me, and it's gonna be a nice model to have. It's NG models, so I've done some NG model reviews already, as you have seen, and the quality of these aircraft are just out of this world. They make Gemini jets and even Phoenix models look bad, in a sense. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Just gotta fix this up so I can sit the aircraft on it. I notice how they don't put the plastic underneath, which is interesting. Alright, so let's bring it forward here. And we can zoom on in then. Alright, there we go. So, starting off with the nose, very, very detailed, as you can see. Little windshield wipers and everything. Really, really cool feature. On the little detail there, you have 830 on the gear door. Moving along, Sun Country logo. So this is obviously the orange part, the front part of the aircraft. I honestly gotta say, this new livery for Sun Country is really nice. I like it, and I know everyone calls it the Tide Pod, which I find quite funny. But yeah, moving on, the detail on the top and the top and the sides and fuselage are fantastic. And you have the engine detail. You can see some pretty good detail there. Overwing exit detail is fantastic. You have the landing light detail there as well. Right there, it's really nice. And then to the winglet, really nice looking winglet. This kind of wavy design. the lighter blue and the dark blue, which I think is pretty cool. And then moving along, you have the registration, the US flag, and Boeing 737-800 in the back here. So registration N830SY, one of the newer ones. And then coming back to the tail, which is, love the Sun Country tail, very, very nice design. So we'll zoom out a little bit here as we spin them all around and get a good look at this side here. Okay, yep, same thing. So here we are on this side, moving along. Obviously we got the little baggage door on this side. Same great detail. Going and look at it inside of the split, or sorry, the winglets. Really nice to see that this little Sun Country logo's there. That's, I think, a pretty, and for the level of detail too, the accuracy, how sharp it is, that's impressive. I find that impressive. Obviously, you have the antennas. Again, the detail for the markings are spot on and fantastic and really sharp. Just moving it along. Again, you're at the back here, then you have the rear little baggage door, which is under there. It's kind of hard to see because of the livery actually, but it's there. If it will focus, it's there. So yeah, and you have the tail again on this side. So let's show you the bottom of the aircraft. A little bit more. Really, really detailed underbelly. If it'll focus, forgive me guys. It's kind of finicky into focusing with this because of the backdrop. But there we go. Anyway, so pretty simple. No like Sun Country logo or anything, but the detail is really nice. I call that those blue stripes and everything, and the engine. The bottom of the engines are really nice. Did notice that this engine, one of them is a little crooked. Maybe not. To me, they look one of them looks a little off, but that's okay. That's no biggie. Yeah, it looks like this one is off just a little, like pointed in, but that's okay. I cannot complain with the given the level of detail in this, the rolling gear on all, you know, all of it on all wheels and everything. So fantastic model, guys. Really impressed with it. Well done, NG. And glad that my first Sun Country model, 737, is a NG. As opposed to like a Gemini or something. This is a really nice model. So we're gonna put this aside. We're gonna get to the Southwest. Slide this over here. Alright, so next up, Southwest 737-800 Canyon Blue, 738 with splits. Registration November 8627 Bravo, so 862B. Get this opened up. So these, now I have two 737 8s, and I have a 737 Max as well. Yeah, I have a 737 Max 8 as well, that I'm sure you'll see the review video for. But now that's it for the 738 fleet. I have, as I say, the Canyon Blue and the new livery, the Heart livery. So that's that. I would like to get one. Hopefully they do release a new livery and a Canyon Blue with the normal winglets, like the Sun Country winglets, just normal, non-split. Because I think that would be cool, and I would probably get those as well, just given that Southwest still has both with normal winglets. So yeah, anyways, let's get this unboxed and actually, Beautiful model. Alright, so let's zoom in and get this rolling. There we go. Alright, so again, same sort of detail on the around the cockpit as on the Sun Country 738. You have the little markings on the gear door for the registration, the numbers, windshield wipers, and all the little markings around the cockpit. Door details are really good. You have the markings on top and whatnot, on the side going along. Oops, try a little bit of fuzz. And then yeah, just going down the fuselage, working our way down. You have the antennas, obviously, engines, really nice. Again, great detail on the overwing exit markings and everything, the wing markings. Going to the splits, very sharp splits in terms of the detail. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but oh, it's having a hard time focusing. But Southwest is actually written like in there in the split. That's fantastic. I'm really impressed by that. And then it's here as well inside, and come on, focus. There we go. It's inside there as well. Southwest.com. Fantastic. So moving along, yep. Beautiful details. Registration, as I say, 8627B. US flag, Southwest. Fantastic detail there. And we're going along, just flipping it around. Starting at the back this time, you have all the antennas and stuff on the top, which are really nice. There's going to be the little baggage door down at the bottom. Again, the splits, fantastic. Engines, and you know, just coming along the front baggage door and everything. So overall, a fantastic aircraft. Oh, and let's show you the bottom real quick. Nothing fancy, but you know, really nice and detailed with the little antennas and everything. So no complaints at all with this model. Very, very nice. Very happy to have it. So let's say hopefully they release maybe a Canyon blue with normal winglets. I'm sure that's something they're thinking of. What I would hope they would, but I would grab that for sure too. But anyways, guys, so that's gonna do it for these two models and this unboxing and review. Let's zoom out. Whoops. Let's zoom out a little bit. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.